Welcome back friends. Previous video was mistakenly stopped by me, so I once again begin to work over promo underscore container. So friend, class, first of all I define it is padding 0 pixel from top and 20 pixel from right, 15 pixel from bottom and 20 pixel from left. So I come out of this and here I call promo underscore container dot promo, and inside first of all I define the background position 0 pixel from top and 0 pixel from right. So I come down once again and I call here promo underscore container dot promo dot content, and friend, here I give some padding to it. Padding 70 pixel from top, 30 pixel from right, 0 pixel from bottom and 0 pixel from left. Control S to save, and now I come here and refresh this page. So friend, now you see that this header image has been placed rightly, and when I come down, all this section, actually these three sections are inside the promo, and they have also stylized much better, not fully better, but you can say enough better. So still we have to do some work over it. So now friend, once again I come here and now I will begin to stylize this search box for medium screen. So I come here and I make comment search box. Friend, I press Ctrl D and here I will write starts. I press enter and here I will write ends. So friend, I will go to this style.css where I have stylized already this search box for the large screen, full screen. So I will copy all this code and then do some amendments in it. So this is the search box ends. Control C. I show you that I have begun to copy this code here. Search box starts till the end where the search box ends. So I go to my medium.css style sheet and I control V to paste it here. So now friend, I go above and I make some changes in it. Float right, margin left 10 pixel, margin top in spite of 7 pixel I make it 6 pixel and I press enter, and I also give some margin bottom to it 3 pixel. Control S to save, and now I come here and refresh it. So you see that there has been made a space from its bottom. So once again I come back here, and now I will go to TF text input class, margin 0, padding 5 pixel and 15 pixel width. So friend, I have not defined it is width because you are showing that its width is very large. So here I will define it is width. (70 pixel). Font family Arial, Helvetica and Sans. The spelling of Sans are not right. Control S to save, and we are also to correct spelling here. I come above, search box stars, and yes, Sans. Control F to save. Now I go to medium.css, sans, serif, font size 14 pixel and border 1 pixel, solid, hash 0076SC, border right, border top, left radius 5 pixel, border bottom, left radius 5 pixel. Now I come on TF button. So friend, remaining I think is okay, everything. I think Control S to save. Now I go here and refresh this page. Yes. Now friend, this search box is showing in this way for medium devices, and it will be shown right under this navigation links. So friend, now once again I go back to my Notepad++ code editor. So friends, now we will start the contact form, styling the contact form, \static, and here I will write the contact form. I write here stars, Control D, and ends. So friends, in next video I will come back and stylize this contact form.